Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Plaza Wires Incorporated. In 2006, Plaza Wires Limited is engaged in the business of manufacturing and selling wires, and selling and marketing aluminium cables and fast-moving electrical goods, FMEG, under its flagship brand, PLAZA Cables, and home brands such as Action Wires and PCG. The company also provides other wires and cable products such as power control cables, TV dish antenna co-axial cables, telephone and switchboard industrial cables, computer and LAN networking cables, closed-circuit television cables and solar cables, PVC insulated tape, and PVC conduit pipe and accessories, through third-party manufacturers. IPO opens for subscription on September 29. Offer will close on the 5th of October. Allotment will be on the 10th of October. Listing will be on the 13th of October. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 14,958 rupees. Price band is fixed at 51 rupees to 54 rupees per share. Lot size is 277 shares. Total issue size is 71.28 crore rupees. It is 100% fresh issue. Object of the issue is funding the capital expenditure towards setting up a new manufacturing unit for house wires, fire-resistant wires and cables, aluminum cables, and solar cables to expand the product portfolio. Funding the working capital requirements of the company. General corporate purposes. Price to earning ratio is 21.95. Return on equity is 14.15%. Return on capital employed is 15.57%. Earning per share is 2 rupees and 46 paise. The latest GMP of Plaza Wires IPO is 24 rupees. The estimated listing price for IPO is 66 rupees, which is approx 22.22% gain. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.